Social Security Administration, you're speaking with Officer Jennifer Walker. How can I help you? You dickhead. Good dog, motherfucking dickhead.
Hey, Scammer.
Hi.
How's the scamming going?
Bad, like really bad.
Yeah, I thought as much, because all those dogs keep barking in your place. Why do you have so many dogs there? See, all those dogs, crazy. Never seem to stop. Oh, finally some peace. Is that better?
Hello, can you hear me? Why are you done?
Oh, you want to hum me a song?
Overtime, lead me to you better. You just sing a song.
Yeah, okay, sing me a song.
Why is that?
Well, you seem better at singing than I am.
What?
You're a better singer, I think. All I can do is go scammer.
That's what we are, scammer.
Yeah, you're scammer. So sing me a song instead of scamming.
Okay. You're dumb.
I'm dumb.
You know that?
Okay, sing me a dumb song then.
You can hear my friend's rap. It's really good. Here. Rap something about a scammer, he said.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yo, can you hear me, sir?
No, I
Can you hear
can't.
me, sir?
No, I can't hear you.
Alright, motherfucker, can you hear me now?
I can't hear you. Speak up.
I'm just fucking your wife right now. Can you hear that sound?
No, because my wife's sitting next to me laughing at you.
Oh, your wife, what do you mean? Your wife is a bitch?
You're hopeless, man. Get a real job. Get a job.
What you want?
I'll tell you, I'll put my friend on.
Thing?
It's my friend.
You want some dollars?
Okay, man. And last.
Hello?
Give it.
Can I help you today?
Hello?
Pardon?
PGB first, asshole.
No!
Hello? Hello? This is Social Security Administration.
Oh, it's Steve calling. Damn it.
What was that, sir? What was that? Hello?
No!
Marvin, let's have a conversation, man. Come on. Let's just be man and let's just have a conversation, man.
Hello?
I'm ready to do anything.
Hello?
I'm ready to do anything for you. Yes, hello?
Okay, send me some gift cards.
Yes, sir. I am ready to do anything for you, sir. Let's just have a conversation, sir.
Okay,
And I'm not trying
start
to do
talking.
anything to you, sir. I just want to be good, sir. Even I don't like doing this kind of activities, sir. But what to do? I'm just 19. I'm frankly speaking, sir. I'm 19, and I'm a professional chef. But I have no opportunities here in my country as like you does in United States. So, sir, I have to end up doing this kind of activities. I do feel sorry for all this kind of things, but I genuinely say sorry to all of you, sir, from deep of my heart.
So why
So,
can't
sir,
you get a job as a chef?
Sir, I was working in one of the hotels in Orlando, Florida last year, but after that my visa got expired. I came back to America, and like in our place, most of the people, most of the vacancies are given to the higher class people, and we middle class people, we ain't got no money, so they don't take us. Whoever pays the money, they get the job. Okay?
So
Yeah,
you're saying you have to pay to get a job.
That's how it works.
Why is that?
That's how it works, sir. Like, it's not a thing. It's not a thing. Like, it's totally different out here.
Okay, let me just Google something here. When I type in job site India,
Where are you? I guess it, sir.
so where?
Sir, are you from Detroit, sir?
No, I'm
Are
not.
you from Detroit?
No.
So do you know Detroit D12?
I know where
Or Eminem?
I know Detroit, yeah.
Marshall Mathers?
I don't know that.
Do you know Marshall Mathers?
No, I can Google it.
Marshall Mathers, Eminem. The rapper Eminem.
I've looked at him. Eminem, yeah, I've just Googled him, yes. Hung up.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
No, I can't.
But I can hear you.
But I can't hear you.
Well, I'm calling you from the Social Security Administration. How can I help you today?
I'll put my friend on. There he is. He's talking to you. In binary. On, off, on, off, on, off.
You see what?
There's my dog. He's talking to you.
What breed? Which breed is it?
It's white in colour. That's my car alarm going off.
Irritating.
Yeah, the car alarm's
That's
going off.
irritating me.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, it's Steve calling. Damn it.
Hey, I remember you. You're the hacker.
How did you know?
How did you know? You called me earlier.
I did,
The
yeah.
Hawks TV.
With what TV?
The Hawks TV. That's the YouTube channel, right?
No, it's close. But yeah, not that. I know who you're talking about though.
What's your YouTube channel?
I'm not telling you that. Say one thing for me.
Because I
Say
just spoke
say
to
like.
one guy earlier. He said that he has a YouTube channel called Hawks TV, and I just saw it on YouTube, and it was real. Like he was uploading videos about scammers.
Yeah, I did the same. But say the following for me. If you like this video, like and subscribe.
Oh, so you can upload it on
YouTube. Yeah, so say those words. If you like this video, like and subscribe.
If you like this video, like and subscribe.
Thanks for that.
You too, man. You have a good one.
Thanks, you too. Later.
Call's over!
Social Security Administration, how can I help you today? Hello?
Hey, scammer.
Hello? 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 No! No!